about to land now in Los Angeles Airport. Kuha din yung ilay mamay. Ma, tao mo.
Ha?
Ilay na dyan.
Wow.
Ngit-ngit pa no?
Ha?
Dili pahayag ba?
Kuan pa mo?
Ay, thank you so much Lord
Kuan pa man na?
for this wonderful experience.
Oh, kana mo? Wow.
Thank you Lord for bringing us safe here in America. Nice landing. Nice landing, no? Wow.
Wow, this is the front.
Mabuhay, Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Los Angeles. The local time is 37 minutes past the hour 7 in the morning, and the date today is still the 23rd of December 2024. Ground temperature is at 13 degrees Celsius or 55 degrees Fahrenheit. Remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. May we remind you to take precautions when opening the overhead stowage bins to retrieve your items, as these may have shifted during the flight. All passengers with connecting flight out of Los Angeles will be given priority. Remain seated until your row number 7 called upon for deplaning. Passengers who need assistance, please approach our cabin crew and ground staff, who will be happy to assist you. On behalf of Captain Dennis Gauna, First Officer Toots Teves, Second Officer Dave Aquino, and Second Officer Echo Serrano, and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines.
Grabe. Taas kayong wingspan mo ba? No? Sa ka-wingspan niya, pila ka lane, oh.
112.
Wala mo kayo mga
Dawal ng mga cars. Wala American kuan
airlines. Kuha din yung airport, eh. Pagkadako, ano?
Sa Palm Spring galing na.
Tilapada.
Kasi-klaseng mga pangalan sa mga luxury cars. Kaya mga tao mga kuan. Hollywood stars. Ito ang ilang mga kuan galing na. United. Ito na United. Ay, rapo ni Balinda itanak ko eh. Ay para sa imo pa ba, no? Perfect sa American Airlines na.
Kuha sa airport eh. No? Wala makatunga ang Philippines.
Okay, kawan ko. Ako din pinakatakot. John F. Kennedy.
Sana
Tom Bradley magunang ang entry point sa mga taong sulod.
ng Hawaiian Airways. May Alaska oh. Alaska plane. Polaris. Kuha sa airport nila mama ay. No? Kukay ba?
Kita pa niya.
Polaris.
Dili day kayo ko anak. Ingon aron. Ang mga tao di ay dili kayo. Tanaw na to ra nakita man nimo na sa immigration. One. Ang Philippine one. Three.
Israel. Ang plane sa Israel mo. Kupog kayo no? Copy. Puro po ka ni Bapal. Ah, 2.5 na. Pariya ni kadagko nga plane ba?
Ay kada ko sa pan.
Pariya na ay.
Ha?
Pariya sila ni.
Dapat dito sa babaw.